Okay, now I'm finna show y'all how to hook these radios up, man. You got the factory amp. You know, you trying to hook up a aftermarket radio, but you can't get the sounds that come from the speakers. The thing is, you got this white wire right here. Right here. And you got this remote wire from your radio. It's blue and white. You can't go by this. This shit is all fucked up. Everything is mismatched in here. But you got a blue and white remote wire that come from your aftermarket radio. Simple fix. I'm saying like one wire. Take the blue and white wire, splice it into the white wire. Simple as that. Cut it on. Here, hold it for me. I haven't hooked up any speakers yet, but I'm about to hook up some speaker wire. Dang, they're already playing. Simple as that. There you go. Simple fix.